think it's impossible, for you, it is. It is impossible. Because you believe in your heart it's impossible. For you, yes, it is impossible. If you think with a I can't do it attitude, guess what? You right.
Eckhart Tolle once said, "The primary cause of unhappiness is never the situation, but your thoughts about it." Whether you stay lost or find that path is a choice. If you beat yourself down or lift yourself up, it is a choice. And that choice starts in your own mind. Your reality is not what has happened, but how you frame what has happened.